beautiful RNIC is. Ayan. So, sabi nga sa RNIC, gaganda ka na, yayaman ka pa, di ba?
MOA, no, made, executed, and entered into by and between Luluran International Corporation, a corporation duly established and registered under the laws of the Republic of the Philippines with principal address at 1199 Barangay Katipunan, 4th floor, Lemon Square Building, EDSA Muñoz, Quezon City, represented herein by its President and CEO, Miss Maria Dolores R. Astudillo. Palakpakan naman po natin. Hereinafter referred to as the first party. And our new MPPs, Miss Luz Beminda A. Adolfo. Let's give her a big hand. And another MPP, Miss Marilu B. Capuno. Let's give her a big, big hand.
First, ikaw raw po ay isang martilyo. Yung second po, ikaw po ay isang pako. So, whether you are a hammer or a nail, no, dito sa industriya natin sa multi-level marketing, if you are the hammer, ikaw po ang nagtitinta at nagsasagawa or nagbubuo ng sarili mong bahay. Pero pag ikaw yung nail, kailangan ka pa talaga pupukin para bumaon. Ano po?